Welcome home to 2213 Sandalwood Court in wonderful Waldorf, Maryland. We have an open house here every day. We just need 2 hours notice from you in order to get this amazing home ready for you to see. This beautiful home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a huge kitchen, and a spacious dining room. There's tons of space in this stunning home, along with plenty of storage. The garage was converted into an art studio, but can be converted back into a garage if you'd like. Plus, if you love the outdoors, you'll love this large level yard with a spacious deck in the back. It's perfect for entertaining or just having a quiet barbecue. This home has everything you could want and then some more. Go to www.2213sandalwood.com or call 1-877-690-0972 extension 203 to set up your private open house or to get more information on this beautiful home. Stop on by.